In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring teammates into your diagram safely and choose the right level of access for each person. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where your documents are organized. Next, open the document you want to share. The quickest way is to click it from the recent section on your dashboard. If you don't immediately see it, you can navigate through your folders or use the search bar to locate it. Once it opens, you'll be inside the document editor. Now look to the top right corner of the editor and click the share button. This opens the sharing panel where you manage who can access your document and what they can do with it. Think of this as your control center for collaboration. In the sharing panel, start adding collaborators. You can type people's email addresses directly, or if your organization uses Lucidchart groups, you can add an entire group at once. Groups are great for sharing with a department or project team in a single step. As you type, Lucidchart may suggest contacts from your organization to make selection faster. Before you send the invite, choose the right permission level for each person or group. Edit and share allows someone to edit the document and invite others, which is useful for project leads. Edit lets them make changes but not expand access further. Comment is perfect when you want feedback without allowing anyone to alter shapes or layout. View gives read-only access for stakeholders who just need to reference the diagram. A good rule of thumb is to grant the lowest level that still lets people do their work and raise it later if needed. When everything looks good, click invite to send the collaboration request. Your collaborators will receive an email notification and the document will appear in their Lucidchart workspace under shared items. If there's an option to include a message, a brief note explaining the purpose or deadline can help set expectations. That's it. You've added collaborators, set clear permissions, and invited them to join you in Lucidchart. You can reopen the share panel anytime to adjust access, change permissions, or remove someone as your project evolves. Keeping these settings tidy helps protect your work while making collaboration efficient and stress-free.